Hey guys and girls, how are you doing today? It's Michael from the Recoverit team, and I'm back with some really exciting news to share because our latest product, the Wondershare Repairit Online, has been released. And yes, this is the free online version of Wondershare Repairit. So, diving straight into today's topic because it's about one more extremely useful solution that you can count on should you have any corrupted video files. And I want to talk more about the features of Wondershare Repairit Online. First of all, and most important, there's no need to download any applications on your computer. You can directly upload any damaged video to the server and repair it instantaneously. You don't need to buy any extra services to repair your corrupted videos. Online video repair is available for free and is completely safe for use. Also, our online video repair solution supports 3 of the most popular video formats: MP4, FLV and MOV. With this tool, you can repair videos up to 200 megabytes of file size, which means that if there's a small video clip that is recorded with your smartphone, you're able to repair it using our online video repair tool in no time. And it also supports batch file processing, namely up to 10 video files, so if you have multiple damaged videos, you can fix them simultaneously. After such an intro and with so many exciting features, yes, we need to find out how to actually utilize them, because I'm pretty sure there would be a lot of people pretty excited about this new functionality, because nowadays the amount of video that people produce is growing at tremendous pace. Now, let's focus on the tool itself, and we need to remember a few things. First of all, the files that we are about to repair online should be less than 200 megabytes. So let me show you how this actually works. We go to the official website as a starter and follow these few steps. First of all, we tap the Add icon to upload the damaged video, and again make sure the file size is less than 200 megabytes. As soon as the video is uploaded, the tool is going to automatically start repairing it. The process might take a few minutes, depending on the video's length. Once the video gets repaired, tap the play button in order to preview the repaired video. Then go ahead and download the repaired video onto your computer. Well, it's pretty easy to use it even without my guidelines, isn't it? On the other hand, I know that you liked a lot the idea of being able to repair video files online, but what if these files are larger than 200 megabytes? Don't worry, we have you covered because we have also launched our award-winning Wondershare Repairit software, and Wondershare Repairit 2.0 brings some new breakthrough features. And since we covered the online edition, now let's focus and figure out what we actually added to the desktop app. Our fantastic Wondershare Repairit 2.0, being compatible with both Windows and Mac OS, has now brand new user interface and brand identity. Earlier, the application was known as Wondershare Video Repair, but with the newer version, we have decided to entirely change its identity. And the first thing you're gonna notice is us introducing this completely new logo. Along with the new name, the newer version has a comparatively better and more user-friendly interface. Repairit 2.0 has now visual input system that allows the elements to fit the user screen more precisely. We also present you the intuitive video information display. Unlike the predecessor, the entire display scheme has now been changed with Repairit 2.0, and now you can see video thumbnails for each video, which is going to make it easier to identify the different clips. And the new panel also displays technical information for each video, including its frame rate, duration, file size, and the video resolution. Finally, you're also able to see a new and stylish progress bar that is going to help you to check the overall repairing status of any video. The third key update is our refined advanced repair mode. If you've ever used any of the previous versions, you might remember the advanced repair mode feature. It uses a sample video to repair severely damaged videos that can't be repaired otherwise. Now, in Repairit 2.0, we've made the advanced mode slightly better in order to increase the overall success rate. This time, the software will first verify the sample video and let you know in advance if it's suitable to recover the damaged video or not. We also have this enhanced preview feature, and one of the most useful updates that we're bringing is exactly that. Unlike the 30-second preview limit with the older version, you're now able to watch the full preview of the repaired video in Repairit 2.0, and the software will also display some snippets from the video as screenshots under the preview section. With these screenshots, you're able to identify the overall quality of the video and decide if the video needs some advanced repairing or not. The fifth major portion of the update are the small details, because that's all that matters. If a video format is not supported, Repairit 2.0 will automatically remove it from the list. If your hard disk has low storage space, Repairit will prompt a warning message to optimize the storage. And with the new Advanced Repairit mode, you're able to apply the same video file to multiple videos for recovery. And last but not least, you can now remove multiple videos from the dashboard with a single click. Oh, but that's not all of it, because there's more. Our secret sauce got enhanced by a few more bits in order to support footage from panoramic action cameras. We'll take the Insta360 as an example. They have their own proprietary format, INSV. So Recoverit 2.0 can now support recovering videos in case they are damaged from these cameras, and that includes the Galaxy Gear 360 and also the GoPro Max. So in case you have a problem with a 360-degree video, count on us for recovering it. Okay, now we're supposed to wrap up this episode, but I'm so excited that I don't want it to finish. So let me summarize what you learned today, that we have made two huge announcements. The first one, Wondershare Repairit Online, one of the most unique and most effective ways for you to recover any damaged video file, which is less than 200 megabytes, without having to install anything on your computer. Just follow the simple steps on our website. Secondly, huge update, Wondershare Repairit 2.0. New interface, new engine, and a lot more great features. And I think you have now many more tools to count on in order to recover your damaged or potentially damaged video files. If you have any questions, well, don't be shy, ask in the comment section below. More information about all the updates that happened, you can find in the description below. And of course, for more practical data solutions, subscribe. I'm Michael, and we'll see you in the next episode. Bye!